It's gonna be a fun day today, guys. I'm with my friend Dimitri.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning all. As seen on my face, today was very early morning, 5 AM morning. So guys, we are at Birmingham Wheels. Chaps, this is insane. Just done the sighting lap. It's so difficult. You really need to have a big pair. Houston. Handbrake didn't work, so we bleeded the handbrake, and hopefully now it's gonna be tip top. Otherwise, it's like one pull is working, and then you're coming to the corner to the next. When you try next time pull the handbrake, you just all the way down. Scary. Sometimes you can end up in the wall. So yeah, we bleeded it now again. So hopefully everything will be alright. So chaps, first set of tires is done.
Hey,
Look at that! Hey!
I got one. Minus one.
This one is still good, man.
Woo. The other one is...
Woo! Look at this!
Done.
Slick! So this was just a chaos. Give me how we call this? Give me the fist bump. Fist bump. That was really cool. Last couple of rounds, they've just been insane.
Even though we had no tyres left, no tread left, but it was fun.
Yeah, look, bald tires. Another thing is, on my last run, I managed to do this big corner without the straightening. So, truck, mission complete, tick. And you've done as well, isn't it?
Obviously.
Yeah.
But because no tread. No tread. So you like a washing machine. You're just being thrown around the whole track. That's the That's the thing. I even hit the tyre with my...
Oh yeah, I've seen. I was
it
thinking,
here?
yeah, I was thinking like something.
No, I thought it was... Yeah, here. But
No.
then there was nothing.
I've seen something like flared off. That's fine.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking this
I think
bit.
it was the tyre. I
Yeah.
just cut the tyre like a butter.
Yeah.
Like a butter. Good stuff. Good fun.
So
Lunchtime.
yeah, lunchtime. Change tires.
Get food.
Get food.
Get ready for 1:30.
Yeah, hopefully it's not gonna rain. So
You're gonna jinx it though.
see you later. So chaps, second part of the day after the lunch. New tires at the back, so hopefully everything will be alright. It's raining now, so it's gonna be even more difficult. We'll see how it will go. It's really wet, really difficult one.
The guy in front of me spun out. I tried to
Yeah.
go around him, but then I lost all the traction and I threw him into the wall.
Yeah, that was really kind of slow impact. It's not that bad.
I just need to bend it down.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you think you can do it by hand?
Yeah, look, that's it, man.
One.
Yeah, don't break it.
We can just push it together.
I think it's fine. Just leave it like this.
You think?
Yeah.
I think we need to do.
Because if you snap it, then that's it. It's gone.
Yeah, but then we can kind of straighten out.
No,
Quite thick, no?
we will straighten out later.
Okay.
Not now, because if you'll snap it now, you will need to remove it and all that stuff. So it's gonna take time. But we need to go drift. I think it's fine, isn't it? It's a solid.
Nothing changes, just
Solid.
slightly crooked.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because it's not going to snap, hopefully.
Wow. If
Because
you're gonna push too hard, it might snap. We will try with the ratchet
Maybe.
later
Okay,
on.
let's go.
Yeah.
Let me put the bonnet back on and then we can go.
Yeah. Whew. First couple of rounds was quite good. Did enjoy them, even in the wet. I do have a grip now because new tires, so it's not that scary. It's not like on ice. Previously, oh my god. Previously, it was like ice. I was pulling the handbrake and I didn't know whether I'm skidding or I'm still driving straight. Funny.
Yeah, that corner is still, the first corner is still a bit wet. It's like dusty.
Yeah.
It's still a bit like ice, but not as bad anymore.
Yeah. So if it's gonna rain constantly, like it's gonna be like solidly wet, it will be much better. Yeah, but still good fun. And it's sunny again. Woohoo! That's so cool. But I couldn't drive properly when it was kind of wet, because it was one part was wet, one part was dry, uphill wet, downhill dry somehow, I don't know how, but it's just a nightmare. But luckily everything is fine. So now everything is dry, so let's crack on.
это жесть.
Sorry, dude. That was my fault. Oh my god.
Right.
That was my
The
fault.
worst thing is, now there's glass in the thing, I'll have my drive back home for 3 hours, 3.5 hours today will be with heaters on. I got the glass, door, it does the job. I can really open the door from outside now.
The impact was quite hard. I was like shocked. I bent my wheel.
Chinese sparkling wheel.
Chinese. It's the second wheel I bent.
He didn't learn from first time, and the ball snapped, and now he decided to buy the same wheel, and yeah.
Yeah, what Mitchell was saying, when I crashed the other shot, I already broken one wheel, so, and I swear at the time that I'm never gonna buy the Chinese. I would have done a bought the Chinese one again. And it's crooked like an egg. I will try to straighten it now. The quick guys have to straighten your wheel. Chinese wheel. Take a wheel in your hands and take your knee and push. And it's straight now.
Not in reason, because Chinese method. Chinese
Hold on.
Я тебя такой новый. У тебя больше не будет арчела и жира. Его съела тут.
That was revenge! That was revenge, isn't it?
In a way, not really. It's a nice time.
Yeah, I lost one bolt, but I think it's still right. Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't hold anymore.
Yeah.
Booked.
Actually, this guy, so basically the door.
They was really good. So I did really enjoyed it. It was fun day, but I'm so tired. 5 AM morning. Now 3 hours driving back home is gonna be a nightmare. But it was awesome day. Super good.